Good morning, student. Today I will start a chapter 2 fraction. Actually, what is fraction? Fraction, any number, any integer can be expressed in the form of numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. For example, 4. 4 can be expressed in the form of numerator and denominator. 4 upon 1. This is fraction. Now question is this: how many types of fractions are there? Then one by one I will explain you. See, first, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is smaller than its denominator. For example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 9 upon 11. These all are the example of the proper fraction because numerator is less than its denominator. Now we come to the second type of fraction, that is improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is greater than its denominator. For example, 4 upon 2, 7 upon 5, 11 upon 4. These all are the example of improper fraction because its numerator is greater than its denominator. Likewise, unit fraction. Unit means 1. A fraction having numerator 1 is called unit fraction. 1 upon 11, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7. These are the example of unit fraction. Now next we come to the mixed fraction. Mixed means having two type of fraction in it. Means one whole part and other fraction part. 4 1 by 2, 9 1 upon 7. Means these are the mixed fraction. This is whole part, this is fraction part. Whole part, fraction part. If we will multiply it and add it, we can change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2. Mixed fraction can be changed into the improper fraction, and improper fraction also can be changed into the mixed fraction, vice versa. Decimal fraction, 2 upon 10, 11 upon 100, and 12 upon 1000. These all are the example of the decimal fraction. If we will divide all these number, this answer will come out in the form of decimal. That's why decimal fraction. Equivalent fraction, equal fraction. Equivalent means equal fraction. For example, 1 upon 2. If I want to write down the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2, so how can we write? Multiplying 1 by 2 by the same number, denominator and as well as numerator. For example, if we multiply numerator by 2 and denominator by 2, 1 upon 2 and by 2, this is 2 upon 4. So this 2 upon 4 is the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Means 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4 are equal. This is called equivalent fraction. Like fraction, a fraction having equal denominator. 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 5. These are fractions having equal denominator. That's why these are called like fraction. And unlike fraction, fraction having not equal denominator. 3 upon 11, 9 upon 6, 15 upon 2. These are the example of unlike fractions. Now you have seen the types of the fraction with example. These fractions will help you in solving your problem, exercise problem. Now the exercise 2.1, convert the fraction into the lowest form. This is the fraction 35 upon 145. We have to convert it into lowest form. Lowest form means there is a one HCF between these two numbers. We have to cancel the HCF. We can write this 35. We can write this 35 7 into 5 and like this. 7 upon 29 is the lowest form. It is the lowest form of 35 upon 145. Convert the fraction into the like fraction. To convert these fraction into like fraction means having denominator same. So we will do the same denominator. How? By taking the LCM. LCM is 32. To make the 32 of all the denominator. Now multiplying 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 4, 8 by 4. There is no need to multiply because it has already 32. 9 multiply 2 and 16 multiply 2. And now 24 upon 32 and 20 upon 32 and 17 upon 32 and 18 upon 32. Now this fraction has become like fraction because their denominator are equal, their denominator are same. So in this way, how we change a fraction into like fraction.